Hey everybody! We are playing Lightly Row today in our Prodigies Recorder class. And we are learning two new notes. We are learning C and D. C is our note in the third space on the treble clef, and D is on the fourth line of the treble clef. They're right next to each other. So C looks like this with your thumb and your middle finger. And for D, just take your thumb off. Let's play 16 C's. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Now how about 16 D's? Ready? Thumb off the back. Ready, go. Okay, how did you do with those two notes? We've had practice with D and C, so we're going to play Lightly Row. And the very first note in Lightly Row is that D. Now, since you don't have your left hand thumb bracing the back of the recorder, you want to make sure that you are having your right hand thumb brace the recorder, and maybe even hold it like this or this, so that when you let go of here, you've got a good grip on the instrument. You don't want to accidentally drop it. So C, thumb here with the right hand, and with D here. But just make sure your finger is down here and not covering any of these holes. Okay, let's play Lightly Row, starting with our new note D. 1, 2, ready, go. How'd you do? That's a pretty easy song. It's nice and slow. I think we should do it one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, keep practicing. I know you'll get it.